You searched how to buy shares of SuperCom Ltd. SuperCom Ltd. is a technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SPCB, focused on telecommunications and IoT hardware. This is an educational video and not financial advice. To buy SPCB, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPCB. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you found the correct SuperCom Ltd. share. Open the SuperCom Ltd. asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the NASDAQ ticker SPCB and that the company description matches the telecommunications and IoT sector. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order settings before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a pending order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.